This video is much overdue. I had the best intentions to do it early January, and well, here we are late January. So if this offer resonates with you, you'll just want to take advantage of it before the close of the month, all right? So my name is Sonia Eckel, Norwex Independent Consultant. I've been doing Norwex for almost 13 years, and one of my greatest joys is helping other people become a Norwex consultant and meet their goals with this business. And in January, Norwex is offering a risk-free opportunity. That is the first time they've done this, so I'm going to explain it. Now, the regular standard kit option is still available this month, so if you'd like to get those details, I have an earlier video that you can check out on that. But today I'm going to try to outline the details of this risk-free offer. So for those of you who've been following me, you know my favorite Norwex product is the Norwex mop system. And I love it because I hate smudgy, smeary, sticky, tacky floors, and I hate even more bringing unnecessary chemical cleaners into our home because I've learned how hard it is once you bring them in to get those chemical residues out. And so that's why I love Norwex and cleaning with just water. It's going to save you so much time. It's also going to save you money, and you're going to love how clean your floors look and feel. And what I love about the Norwex microfiber is that with just water, our microfiber removes up to 99% of bacteria from the surface using water when you follow the proper care and use instructions, all right? So love that for my floors. As you can see, we have a lot of tile and a lot of wood floors. So this has just been a wonderful gift. So this is the deal in January. You can join as a consultant risk-free. So if you choose this option, it costs you $40 for this mop system. Now, typically this mop system is about $116, and you can get this for $40. But in addition to that, you get full consultant privileges, just like what I have, and you get 40% consultant discount for your first 30 days in business, which will apply to if you choose to do the kit builder. At the time of sign up, you have that one-time option to get that extra discount. It will apply if you do your first online demo or maybe your first in-person practice party. All of that, you get to take advantage of that 40% instead of our usual and very generous 35%, right? So I love that as well. And if you are working with a consultant, you'll just want to connect with them. I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you and can answer your questions. If you are looking for a consultant to help you get started on your Norwex journey, I would be honored to be your sponsor and mentor. So please don't hesitate to reach out with questions. You can text me, or you can also visit my blog, replacechemicals.com.